Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel, Bright Black Bulb. In today's video, as I promised, I'm going to teach you how to make a YouTube channel art, or as some people call it, channel banner, for free. Now this is some sort of a part 2 to the mini beginners YouTube guide series that I'm doing on this channel. If you haven't watched the previous video, it was about how to make YouTube channel with 2 simple and fast methods. I will make sure to post a link of it in the description and place it in the end screen so you can watch it from there. Make sure to subscribe and turn your post notifications on so you don't miss anything related to this mini series, as I will be uploading more tutorials. Okay, that's enough. Let's get into today's video. Today's video is all about how to create a YouTube channel art. Now, the new content creators may not notice, but having an appealing channel art is really important and will get you much more subscribers. When people see one of your videos and enjoy that video, next thing they are going to do is that they will click on your channel. They want to see what else do you have that is interesting for them. Now here's when channel art gets important. With good, catchy and professional channel art, people will most probably subscribe if the type of content that you make is what they like. No matter how much time you put into your videos, but if your channel does not look neat, people won't subscribe. I'm going to teach you how to make a professional channel art for free. Okay, now you may be asking yourself, how can I change my channel art? Well, first off, you need to click the avatar in the top right hand corner of your screen. Then click on your channel. A new window will open and it will show your channel. Now all you need to do is to click the little camera icon in the top right hand corner of your channel art, or at least where the channel art should be. You can also click customize channel and then a new window will pop up, and then again you will click the pencil logo, which means edit, in the menu that drops down. Click edit channel art. A small window will pop up and then you can upload photos from your computer or choose some of the photos that are there as default. Now that you understood how to change your YouTube channel art, it's time for me to teach you how to create a professional channel art for free. I mean seriously, they don't even charge you a cent. Go to snappa.com. This is the website that we are going to use. It has tons of features. They have the right image dimensions, pre-made templates, high quality photos that you can use, and many other things. This website makes everything simple, as you don't need to worry about anything. So to get started, click on the golden Get Started Free on the top right hand corner of the screen. In the window that pops up, give them your name, email address, and the password. In this step, you're creating an account in Snappa. After you are done, click on Get Started Free. After your account has been created, a window will pop up. There you can see everything that you need dimension-wise. They have all these dimensions pre-made for different social media posts. You can even create YouTube thumbnails with them. For now, we will scroll down to the headers and banners, and we will select YouTube channel art. A new window will pop up, and now we get to choose to start from scratch or use some of the featured templates. For the sake of you guys and to not make this video long, I will select a featured template. Let's say if your channel is related to food and food tasting. Hence why we use a template that has something related to our channel, in this case a burger, which is a type of food. Now when designing a channel art, you need to keep in mind that it does not look the same across all devices. So your channel art will look different on phone, tablet, PC and TV. We can see that there is a guide on this template. Some areas are marked as TV, so only people who are watching your channel through a TV will see that areas. Keep in mind that the most important part of your channel art is the part that is in the middle, and it's the brightest one here, as you can see. This part is really important as it is visible across all devices. No matter what device people use to watch your channel, this part is visible to everyone. You can change the background to whatever you like, or you can upload a photo from your computer. You can also select one of the patterns that they have. You can do any edits that you want to the picture that you want to post in your channel art, so you don't have any limitations. This is the part that you need to take your time and unleash your creativity. For now, I will just change some basic settings on the default image here. You can also change whatever it is written there and edit the text to your liking. I will just change the font size on what is written here and take the text slightly to the left. After you are done editing your channel art, click on the download button in the top right hand corner. You have several download options, but from what I have experienced, Retina JPEG was the best one quality wise. Click on that and wait for it to download. After it got downloaded, go to youtube.com and change your channel art the way I taught you to do it in the beginning of the video. Here you can see a preview of how your channel art looks across different devices. You have the option to crop the image, but if you have followed what I did, you don't need to. Auto enhance is also an option here, but I prefer not to do it because I think the channel art looks good. Finally, click select and boom, you have successfully changed your channel looks and transformed it into a much professional channel, all for free. I need to hurry before anyone notices that I changed my channel art, so see you in the next video. Peace. Thank you for watching the video, and please make sure to like, subscribe and comment down below, as it keeps me motivated to make videos for you guys more often.